all our topics.
Yeah, so this is actually the revision class. So all topics that we already discussed. So today I'm gonna check how you remember. Okay, how much of them you remember. So
See, it only shows about place, value.
yeah. So we're gonna see one by one. Okay. So first we started with place value and value. So Kavya, do you remember what is place value and what the difference between them? If I
So like
have one
value,
number, okay, let me ask one question. If I have one number, 7, 4, 3, 6, 2, okay? So tell me the place value of 4 and value of digit 6. Okay? What it could be? The place value of digit 4 and what's the value of digit 6?
660.
Very good. So this will be
1060.
1000,
Hmm.
just 1000. Okay?
Just 1000.
Yeah. And this will be 60. So what's the difference between this place value and value is?
Value
We
is
are
like
writing the
like
place
the
value in
digits, and
words.
place value is like the word.
Yeah. This is like the word and that's like the numbers.
Digits.
Okay, the digits. Very good. Okay. So if we have decimal, for example, if there is a decimal placed here, so now what will be the value of digit 6?
The value of digit 6 will be 6/10.
Value. I asked the
Six.
value.
Oh,
It will be 0.6 or we can say
0.6.
6 by 10, right?
6/10.
And this 6/10 is actually the place value, right?
Right.
So this is the value and that is the place value. As we know that the place value, we are writing place value in words and value in numbers. The simple logic.
Simple.
Okay?
Okay.
You can also remember like this trick. Place value looks bigger, right? And value looks smaller. And if we compare, if we compare that the numbers look smaller than words, right?
Yes.
So using this trick, you can remember place value means words and value means numbers. Okay?
Okay.
Is it a good way to remember, Kavya?
Yes, it's a very good.
Okay. So now please tell me the answer for question number 4 from your sheet.
Hmm. Tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, 90,000.
Please chat me your answer because I got confused. Is the answer is in figure or words? Sorry, in word or number?
No, I was just saying it like what it is in my mind. About accidentally.
If you say
I put it in
90,000,
the chat box.
okay, and if it is 90,000, so what could I consider? Which one will be the correct? Okay, let me see. Yeah, that's the correct answer actually. Very good. Now try this one. 78946. You have to tell me what's the value of digit 8 here.
digit H
Yeah.
here is it value or
Value, not place value.
can I tell in the chat box?
Yeah, please.
It's the second sum.
Good.
It's the second one.
Yeah, that's correct. Okay, so the next thing is the addition and subtraction. We have some question based on those blank boxes, right?
Hmm?
Some
Oh,
question, yeah, which have some blank box like this, that, then here something, then here also, then two. Okay, so if this is 9, this is 6. So tell me what is the value for this letter P here?
2.
This is 6 actually. Very good. This P denotes 2.
2.
What does question mark represent?
Question. What about this box over here?
Sorry? Yeah.
Question
Which
mark
digit? Which digit we need to put here?
9.
Yeah. Good.
Here's 3. There was
Okay.
another box.
Yeah. One more box. But I didn't ask about that. Okay. Now different question.
What is that box? What number is that? It's in C.
This is 7. Then
No,
box 2, 5. This is 6.
Oh,
Now
no,
3,
it's C.
2. Yeah.
You have to figure out which one's the number.
So, okay, I can give the question mark here. No, I may denote this with letter. This is P, that is Q. So you can tell me P equals this and Q equals that. Okay?
P. Like, right, P.
Yeah, P equals. The first answer equals P actually.
P equals.
Yeah.
Is it take away?
Yeah, subtraction. We have the symbol.
Hmm. It looks like it's addition.
Hmm?
Oh, it isn't. I missed. It feels like it's addition.
Sorry? No, it's not addition.
This looks like.
How? This is something
It's just it's a 2 and
7,000.
then 2 and 5 is 7 down there. Like,
Okay. Oh yeah. Why? Just for your confusion. Examiner give the same type of question. Children think, oh, maybe this is addition, and they start adding all this, right? And they forget about the symbol. Okay, here we have subtraction symbol.
No. At the end, it says like 2 and 5, and that says 7.
That's why. That's the confusion. Here, children start confusing. They think like I intentionally did that. Okay, so that I can confuse you, and you're gonna waste your time. You can do this. You can do this question in fraction of second, Kavya. Very easy question actually.
I actually figured it out. I
Okay,
know
okay,
why.
please try.
I'll just. Okay. Can I just. I know the answer for G, but I still figure out for P.
Okay, that's Q, not G. But that's fine.
Oh. Hmm.
Very easy. Why are you taking so long?
I was thinking.
Okay.
Is this I can't find out what P is. It's too difficult when it's subtraction.
Yeah, stuff is subtraction. That's why it's very difficult.
Is it
May I explain?
9 at P?
So according to you, the value of P is 9.
Yes.
But what about Q?
Q. No, I don't think so. No, I don't think so. It's 9. It's 0.
Okay.
It's 0. And this one, it is um is it 2 for G? 2.
Good. Both are correct. But you need to speed it up. Okay? You're taking so long. You're correct. That's very good. But you need to become a bit smarter. Okay? You can carefully do this. Okay. Let me explain. One more trick here. What is the trick for the subtraction rule? Because children find addition very easy, but when we talk about subtraction, they found it difficult, right? So here we are applying that same rule, the addition rule in subtraction, so that our calculation become easier. Okay, you can do this question in just fraction of second, Kavya. You need to be smarter. Okay, start thinking like that. So always, if we have something as subtraction, for example, 7 subtract, we need to subtract this with 5. What will be the answer? 2. Okay, and if you add these two, you got this. Always. So the same rule we're going to apply here as well. It is clearly mentioned that, okay, for here, as you saw that subtraction symbol, then you can easily figure it out that 12 minus 5 equals 7, right? Now, next, what you need to do is, okay, the 7 is already mentioned here, right? 7 is already mentioned here. So this is subtraction symbol. So you start adding these two. So 7 plus 5 will be 12. So for that 12, you just need to write this 2 and take 1 as carry. Now, 6 plus 5 will be
11.
11. And what about that 1?
2.
12. So you need to write 2 here. Okay. Again, you have 1 carry. Now, 6 plus 3 will be 9.
9.
And plus that 1, that makes 10,
0.
which is 0. Again, you have 1 carry. Now, 4 plus 2 is 6. And that 1 make it 7. So, our calculation is correct. If you want to recheck it, then you can quickly recheck. Okay, 12 minus 5, 7, good. 11 minus 6, 5, good. 9 minus 3, 6, good. Then 6 minus 2, 4. Means we are correct. Okay?
Okay.
Here, while I'm explaining, you found that it may take longer. But if you practicing this, then you have to use to this habit. Okay? And you can do this in a just fraction of second. So try to understand whatever I'm explaining, okay? And use that approach and please chat me the answer for question number 6. You can just tell me what's the value of P and Q.
Okay. Is Q 2?
Very good.
And is a P? Oh, P is equal to 9. P is equal to 9.
Be careful.
9.
Don't interrupt. Be careful. Accuracy matter a lot.
Isn't it 7? No. No. Isn't
Okay.
it?
Start calculating the other way. 8 plus 4 will be 12. So this Q must be 2. And we have 1 as carry. Now, 8 plus something became 7. Means this must be
Isn't it
17.
7?
17, right?
That's 9. P is equal to 9. 9 and 8 is 17.
No. And if you add 8 and 9, then it become 17. And if you have one carry as well, then it become 18. And this is
Oh,
not
that could
8.
be 8.
Yeah. So first,
That has to be 8.
whatever carry you have, you first need to add that carry with this number. So this 8 became 9. Okay. Now 9 plus what equals 17? So 9 plus 6 equals 17. So this
Oh,
must
9
be
plus
okay. Don't forget the
6.
carry.
9 plus, what did he write as 6?
Sorry. Oh, sorry. I missed it out. This equals 8 actually.
8.
Yeah. Did you get it?
Yeah, I get it.
Okay. Here's one more question based on this same. 7, 8, this is the box which denote P. Then 4, that's the box, denote Q. 3, 4, 2, 5.
This is easy. Q is 6. And 9 is P.
Wow. Very good. Okay.
Next topic.
Next topic, which is
Rounding.
rounding. Okay. Do you remember about rounding?
Yes.
So
Yeah.
whatever number we need to round to, like if we have the 72 and we need to round it nearest tens, okay? So we always see the number written next to it. For example, we need to round nearest tens, okay? Nearest tens. So once this is the tens, right? So always look the number right near to it or right of that number. So this is 2, which is smaller than 5. This number is smaller than 5. This means we can leave this 7 as it is and put 0.
Can I copy this
if
down?
what if this is 6? Okay, if this is 6, so
That would be
this is
80.
more than 5. So if this number is 5 or more than 5, so we always round up. And if this number is less than 5, then we always round down. Okay?
Okay.
So that's we are talking
May I
about.
copy this down?
Okay, sure. So we don't see the number written left to that number. No, we always, whatever we need to round, just look into the number written right to that. Okay? Yeah. So this is the rule.
I'm just quickly writing it down. Okay, I've written it down.
Okay. So here we're talking about nearest 10. What is that? If we need to round nearest 100. So for 100 as well, the approach is same. If we have some different numbers, 7, 9, not 9, 7, 3, 6, 2, something like this. And they say, round up this number nearest
10.
Yeah. Round this number to nearest 100.
100.
So 100 in the sense, where to go there? 1,
7,400.
Very good. So here, this is, we need to round this 3. We need to look this number, which is bigger than 5. So this will become 400. Wow. And what the answer for, if we need to round this same number to nearest tens?
7,360.
Wow. That's good. Okay. And what about nearest 5 and 50?
I'm
Do you remember that?
no.
Okay. So if we need to round up nearest 5 or 50, so you can feel like this way. Okay. Something we need to make it like 5 or 10 or 15 or 20 or 25, something like this. If I ask one number, which is 12, okay, and I ask that round this 12 to nearest 5. If you look into this 12, you can see that it is nearer to 10 as well as 15. And what you need to think about is how much closer it is from 10 and how much closer this is from 15.
10 is take away 2, and for 15 is take away 3. So we always work on 10.
Yeah, very good. So if you round this number to nearest 5, the answer will be 10.
10.
Good. The similar approach we are using in 50 as
50.
well. So 50, this will become 50, then
100,
100, then
150,
150.
200.
The same thing.
But you put 12.
No, now I change the number. I didn't put 12. For round of 50, I change the number. May I write 165?
The closest will be 200.
200?
And let me just check. No, it'll be 150.
Yeah. So you need to think carefully for this. Okay? You need to look the number carefully and think a little bit.
One question.
To round of 50, try question number 10.
Number 10, right?
Yeah.
2,500.
Very good. So the number is 2524. Okay? Now, if you look into this, so this either become 500 or 550. Right? And
Right.
this is much closer to 500 because you need to add, you need to subtract, take away this 24. But if you want to make this, you need to add 26. Okay? So this 24 is closer than 26. That's why the answer became 500, not 550. Okay?
Okay. Isn't it 2,500?
Yeah, 2,500. We just don't think about that. This is 2,500. So either this is closer to 2,500. Okay. The question is 2,524. Yeah. So this is closer to 2,500 or 2,550. Okay. So for making this, you need to take away 24. And for making that, you need to add 26. So 24 is closer. That's why answer will be this. Easy?
Easy.
Good.
Are we going to the next topic?
Yeah. And the next topic is sequences. Okay. So for sequence, there is always some pattern. Either we are adding something or subtracting or times with that or divide with that number. And sometimes one sequence follow two rules. Okay. So we need to be careful, right? So first, what your approach will be is if you have any sequence like 2, 5, 9, 14, anything. So first, started with subtracting these two. Okay? Listen carefully, Kavya. Don't work it out. Because I'm not writing anything on the board now. I'm explaining by speaking something. So listen carefully. So for rounding, there's some rule. So you need to understand when we are adding, when we are subtracting, when we are times with that number, and when we are dividing. Okay? So if you see that it's gone increasing, right?
If it's increasing, it's addition. If it's decreasing, it's subtraction.
Subtraction, very good. Now, what about multiplication and division? So if you see the number, it increased too rapidly. Okay?
36. Like, for example, the 5 turn into 30.
For
And the
example,
2
now
is
here
8.
we are writing this 2, then 18.
Times
Then,
9 to get 18.
yeah. And if you 18 times with 9, then what you got?
162.
Sorry?
162.
Wow, good. So you see that, okay, the difference is a lot. Here the difference is 9,
9.
but here the difference is too much. That means it's not addition. Something going to be multiplication here. And sometimes we have the squares numbers as well, right? For example, 2 square, then 3 square, then 4 square, something like this. For example, they're going to ask question like this, 2, then 9, then 16. Then you can clearly understand, okay, after this, don't look into the seat, Kavya, please. I beg you. Please listen to me carefully. This is our last class, so try to make it interactive. Okay? I know you a lot, okay? Whatever things you know, and you also know about me. So for this class, so try to make it memorable. Okay? Try to answer me the question as fast as you can, as good as you can. And listen to me. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. So, yeah, what I'm explaining, yeah, this is. So if it's increasing rapidly, that means
It's
we need to,
multiplication.
yeah, it's multiplication. Okay? Now, what about division? If it decrease rapidly, for example, we have, this is another way. Like first we have this 162, then 18, then 2, something like this. Means that is the division. And you also know about this square number, right? Okay. One more different type of sequence is that which follow two sequence at the same time. For example, we have 2, 3, 7, 6, 12, 9, something like this. So if you started with this question, you see, okay, the difference between these two is 1. Then for these two, it's 4. Then these two, 1. Then these two, 6. What happened? What do we need to do in this? But if you look into this carefully, you can see that this is 2. That is 7. We need to add 5 with this. Now, this will become 12. We need to add another 5. Here, this is 3. Now, we have 6, which we need to add with 3. Then 9. Another 3. Okay? Then the question become easier. And now you know that if you have dash like here, you know, okay, this is first, then this second. Okay, now we need to follow this first pattern. So we need to answer according to first pattern. So that means we need to add 5 in this number. So this will become 17. Okay? If we have 2 dash, then we need to follow this pattern as well. Means the other answer is 12. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Now please try question number 12.
Number
12.
12. Find the next number in the sequence below.
The sequence is this 198. Then
I understand this.
Okay.
Is it 157?
No.
157 is wrong.
Yeah, it's this wrong.
that's what the order is going, like 1998, then 137, and then 107. Oh, the 158.
No.
Check again. Mm. I don't understand how it's now 157. Because it goes 11, 10, 11. Pattern.
Okay, let's check it. Here, we need to subtract 11, right?
And then 10, and then 11.
Then 10. Okay. Then
11.
11?
No, that's. Oh my 9.
Very easy actually. Then
8.
which means
160.
yeah.
I didn't understand it.
You understand. You made this question difficult. You think made this question is very difficult, and you think in a difficult way, right?
Yes.
You think there's a 2 sequence maybe, but no, there's just 1 sequence. Okay. Okay. Now sometimes we have some question like there's some consecutive numbers, and if we add all that number, so that is the average, the mean and all, and they're asking about what's the all three number, what will be the first number. So always look into this question number 13. It says 3 consecutive even. Okay, Kavya, you know what is consecutive, what is even?
Goes in the same time.
Yeah.
Like 2,
So
4, 6.
so when this 3 consecutive numbers, this is 3 consecutive numbers. When we add these 3, this will make 78. So you need to know what is the largest one. So as there is a 3 number, so what we need to do? We need to divide this number with
3.
3. Okay.
I'm gonna do that.
Okay. And then we need to find out the number nearby that number. Okay.
Okay.
So here the question is asking about even number. So be careful about even number.
But
sometimes it doesn't divide completely. For example, okay, now here we can divide it. The answer is 29.
No, 26 I got.
Oh, sorry, 3 times. Oh, sorry, my mistake. 26, because this is 18.
And then it's between like 26, like 24 and 27 and 28, for example.
So this is something like this. So one number may be 26 because this is even, already even. One number maybe the next number is 24 or then 28. We can try this by adding these 3. 4 plus 6 is 10 plus 8 is 18. Carry 1, 2, 2, 4,
24, 25, and 29.
29? 29 is an even number?
No.
So all 3 are this: 24, 26, and 28. Okay?
Okay.
You have one more question based on this, which is You need to tell me what is the largest number. Largest number if three consecutive odd number add up to 33. Okay. What is the largest number if three consecutive odd number add up to 33? The number must be odd. You just need to tell me the largest one.
13. 13 is the largest number.
Wow. Good.
And it's 9, 11, 13.
Okay. Now, the next topic is squares number. Okay, square number, square root. So what is square number? So square number is nothing but a number times with itself is actually the square number, right? So 2
Right.
times 2, which is 4. So this 4 is actually a square number. 3 times 3 equals 9. So this 9 is also a square number. 4 times 4, which is 16. This 16 is also a square number.
Yep.
Now, tell me, Kavya, is this 36 a square number or not?
It is a square number.
24?
It is a square number.
Okay. 25?
It's not a square. It is a square number.
Why you say 24 is a square number? What times with itself you got 24?
It's
It's not a square number actually. Nothing times with itself we got 24. Never. A square number is never too close like this. Okay. So you need to remember few square numbers so you didn't miss it out. Like 4 times 4 is 16, 5 times 5, 25, 36, then 49, then 64, then 81, and 100, at least under 10. You need to remember that. Okay. And what about 12? 12 times 12 equals?
144.
So these are only the square numbers. Okay. 1 is also a square number because 1 times 1 is 1, then 4, then 9, then 16, then 25, 36, 49, 64, 81, 100, 121, 144.
You forgot
This is,
2. 1, 2, 3.
sorry?
You forgot. Oh, yeah. These are all square numbers.
These are the only square numbers till this 12 times 12. Okay?
Okay.
So at least you need to fix this thing in mind. If I say, what about 48? You clearly say no, as 49 is a square number, we know. No, 48 is never a square number. Okay? What about 79?
But
No.
it could be a cube number.
Sorry?
But 48 could be a cube number.
Cube number means times 3 times, okay? The same thing times 3 times.
Yeah, but 48 could be a cube number.
The first cube number is 1.
Yeah.
The next is 8. The next is 27. The next is 64.
Oh, so it can't be it.
Can't. Okay? The difference between the cube number is actually much more than this square number. Right? The first cube number is 1, then directly 8, then 24, then 64. Okay? This is not 24, this is 27. Sorry. It looks like 24. This is 27. How this is 27? Because we know 3 times 3 times 3 equals 27. Okay? So what is the square root? So the opposite of this, as we know that 2 square equals 4. So 4 square root will be 2. Right?
Yes.
3 square equals 9. So 9 square root is 3. 4 square equals 16. So 16 square root is 4.
4.
Okay? Now tell me the cube root. So we know that the cube root of 3 means, sorry, the cube of 3, not cube root. The cube of 3 is 3 times 3 times 3, which is 20 and 27. And if they ask, what is the cube root of 27? So answer will be 3. The cube root of 27 is 3. Okay? Good. Now, I can ask few questions based on the square and cube numbers. The first question is, question number 14. What is the 7th square number?
What's the 7th square number?
Yeah.
49.
Wow. What's the square root of 144? We can denote it like this way.
12. 12.
Wow. What is the square root of 125?
Square root?
Cube root, sorry. The square root.
Cube root is 5. 5.
Wow. You got it. Okay. You don't have any confusion regarding this square root and cube root. That's very good. Now, we're talking about factors. Okay. What is factor? What are common factors? And then highest common factor and all. So what is factor, Kavya? For example, if I say, what are the all factor of this number 12? How are you going to do that?
What is all the factors of 12?
Yeah.
1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6.
Here you got the half of 12. So after this, directly 12.
No. So there's 6 factors of 12.
Okay. There's one more interesting thing in this factors logic. Did you remember that? I already explained. You forgot. The trick is 1 times 12 equals 12. 2 times 6 equals 12. And 3 times 4 equals 12.
Oh,
so these are only factor of 12. So if you wrote 1, then this thing must come.
I've got a fact.
Yes.
12, like you know the number of factors, right? And if the factor number is 12, for example, 12, and there will be like
for example, we have this number 36. 12 is factor of 36. Now you can explain what you want to.
So like if there's an even number, then the count of the factors will always be an even.
Oh.
That's right. Sometimes.
Not always. For example, 4 is even number, right?
But it only has.
So all the factors are 1, 2, and 4. Count it. This is 3, which is not even. Right? So your trick gone wasted.
No, I said for some, but not always.
Okay. That's a good way. Like if you try to find some hack and all, then it's very good. You try to be creative, okay? You need to just try to use your memory here and there. Okay, what we could do from this. Okay, what rule we can apply here. That's all the mathematician do, right? Earlier, how we got all these type of things we're gonna learn. So there's a mathematician who found this, who found that, and we all need to read that. right? And that's actually helpful for us. So think creatively. That's very good idea, Kavya. Okay, write down the common factor of 24 and 30. All common factor of this two.
Common factor.
Yeah.
Common factor.
First, write down the
6.
factor of this. All common factor. There is not just one common factor in these two, Kavya.
2, 6, 3.
Your answer is
2, 1, 2, 3, 6. Can I 1, 2, 3, 6, 8? I mean, just 3, 6.
okay. Next question. Common factor of 21 and 35.
Is it 1, 7? For this one?
Yeah.
Is it 1, 2? 1, 2. 1, 2, 4.
So these are the common factors, right? If I ask what is the highest common factor, which is HCF of
7,
these two
4.
numbers.
6, 7, 6.
So here the answer is 6. Here the answer
7.
will be 7.
4.
Here that is 4. Okay, that's actually the highest common factor. So for finding highest common factor, we must need to find this common factor. Then only we can answer that highest common factor. Okay. Okay. So now tell me the answer for question number 20 from your sheet.
Is it 1, 2, 3? Is it?
Question just asking about HCF, highest common factor. You don't need to find out.
Oh,
You don't need to write all the factors and all.
is it 6?
Yeah, that's good. What is the HCF? Find the HCF of 16, 40, and 56.
One, 2, 4, 4.
HCF. Why you find? Tell me all the common factor or factor.
Is it 4?
No.
I don't.
Try to work it out.
I'm just thinking in my mind.
That's not a good way. Don't try to become lazy, Kavya. You're very smart. I think you're a hard worker, right? You're working hard for your study?
Try. Yeah.
Very good then. I can say because during your holidays as well, you continuously studying. Means you are really a very good student, right?
Yeah. Oh, it could be 8. Yes.
Don't
It's
guess.
8. It's 8. It's 8.
You're confirmed.
I'm confirmed.
Wow, well done.
I just figured it out because 56 divided by 7 is 8. The 40 divided.
And you know why I say very good? Just because of your confidence. You say, yeah, I'm confirmed. So that is very good. You have to build your confidence, right? If you find out any answer, you have to say, no, my answer is always correct. Why? Why your answer is always correct? Because you are working so sincerely. Means there's no chance to make mistake. Right?
8.
Now, the next thing is multiple. Multiple is nothing, just like a times table. Right?
Yeah.
And so just tell me the common multiple of 6 and 8. 5 common multiple of 6 and 8.
The highest common multiple.
5, 5. Not 5, that's too much. 3 common multiple, okay?
3 common multiples.
Yeah. So first you started with 6. 6, then 12.
I think I know. I think I know.
Yeah.
First,
And what about the
2.
LCM? LCM is actually the least common multiple. For finding LCM, you don't need to find out 2 or 3 common multiple. You just need to find out at least 1 common multiple. Okay? That is the lowest one.
Can I say for this one? Is it 1? Is it 1, 2, and
1 in multiple is always bigger than that number, Kavya.
Is it first number 48? I think.
First number is 48.
No. Oh, first number is 24. 24.
Yeah. So
Then
here
24. The 24.
okay. So this is the first common multiple, which is 24. The second one is 48.
24, 48, and
Yeah,
then
then maybe
72.
yeah, 72. No?
Yes.
Very good. Good. The next is 72. And what about the least common multiple? LCM, Kavya.
24.
Yeah. The least common multiple is 24. Okay. So just tell me the answer for question number 21 from your sheet.
21.
Yeah.
That looks easy.
Yeah.
First of all, it would be. Oh, first of all, 16. 24. 16, 24.
Don't miss out any. In LCM, you need to find out the lowest common multiple, not any common multiple, right?
Oh.
That number must be the least. So be careful.
Okay. What's next?
The number is 4 and 8.
Isn't it 16 the least common multiple?
No?
Is 8 the least common multiple?
Yeah, the answer is 8 actually. Now, tell me the LCM for this 3, 6, and 9.
3.
3
3
is a multiple of 6? 3 is a multiple of 9?
Then is it? Is it 18?
Yeah. Good. So answer will be 80.
80.
Okay, so that's all about multiples, I think. Multiple is easy. One last one. 9 and 12. LCM of 9 and 12.
108.
Too big.
Can I just quickly solve it?
Yeah, please.
$36.
Yeah, that's correct.
LCM, right? 36.
So LCM will be 36. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, so we are finishing till LCM, okay? Think
How
of it
many
now,
more
we need a
questions?
break.
How many more topics do we have?
Yeah. We have to cover not too much now.
How
Okay?
much? How much?
Just few topics.
Can we count?
Now.
Yeah.
You don't want the break.
Can we just have to one more topic and have the break?
Okay.
Are we on the half topic?
More than half.
Okay, so can we just do one more topic and go?
So we already completed more than half, okay?
Okay.
Means like 60% is we already done.
40 more percent.
Okay. So do you want to discuss one more topic? Then you need a break, okay?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So the next topic is decimal. We already discussed about the decimal place value and all.
Yeah.
But this time they may ask that how many tenth or how many hundredth this number have. So whenever they say that how many tenth are they in this, how many tenth are they in that. So you need to be careful like this way. How many tenth? If the number is this 0.5.
Tenth.
So how many tenth are there?
5 tenths.
How many?
5 tenths. 5.
5 tenths. Very good. How many hundredths are there?
I don't understand the 100.
Hundredth means for this, what is about 100? 100 means we have 2 0 and the down.
Yeah.
Right? But
500.
We have, yeah. So answer will be not 500. This is 0.5. We have just 1 0. We want to make it 2. We want to make it 2.
2.
So how can you make that?
Times by 10.
Is it possible? So answer will be 50.
50.
50 100. Okay?
50 by 100.
How many thousand?
Okay. 50. Oh, 500,000.
And what's the trick behind this is, whatever they ask, you just need to times that number with this number.
10.
For example, this is, they ask about 10, so times this with 10. If they ask about 100, then times this with 100. If they ask about 1,000, then times this with 1,000. And you got your answer easily.
Okay, easy.
Okay?
Okay.
Now tell me the answer for question number 24.
$24. Is it 40? 40 hands.
And what about 25?
25.
A bit trickier. Not easy, bit trickier. So
How
be
many
careful.
tenths would make 4?
Not tens, tenth.
Tenths would make 4. 0.4?
No. 0.4 tenth make 4.
No.
If you put tenth here, tenth means one more zero. You need to add one more point. Decimal place, right? So this will become 0.04, not 4. You want to make 4. So how many tenths required?
0.04.
No, answer will be this 40. How many tenths? So 40 tenths. So if you have this, 40.
Oh, 10, 40
10.
divided by 10.
This will become
4. Understood.
good. Do you remember the decimal multiplication and all, Kavya? For
Yeah.
decimal multiplication, what we all need to do is, at the first, count the number of decimal place and then forget about the decimal. And do the simple multiplication, and at the end, put the decimal place back.
Yes.
For example, if we have some number like this, 0.2 times with 0.3 times with 0.6. So, in the first step, just forget about the decimal. Just think like this is 2, then 3, then 6. So 2 times 3 is 6, and 6 times 3, 6 is 36. Answer will be 36. Now, what are the decimal places? 1, 2, 3, 4.
0.36.
The total number of decimal places is 3 only. 1, 2, and 3. Right? Here we have 2 decimal places. So put 1 0 and then decimal point. Answer will be 0.36. 0.036. Okay?
Okay.
We must have 3 decimal places in our answer. Now, tell me what should be answer for this?
Mm-hmm. 9.2.
Yeah. Chat me the answer for question number 27 as well.
Chat, right? In chat.
Just tell me.
Okay.
Question number 27.
Is it 1? Just 1?
Yeah, just 1.
What's next? Is now the break.
Now the break. Okay?
Okay. Are we
So
finished with decimals?
No.
Oh.
We need to do few questions like the division as well.
Divisions.
Yeah.
Okay.
Meet me at 7:10.
You mean 11? No.
Oh. Okay.
Okay. Oh, wait. Okay.
Okay, so we are continuing with decimal division. In decimal division, you know what's our approach is. First, try to write down this number like this way. Okay?
Okay.
Then try to make the decimal place same. As you know that we can put as much zero as we can after decimal point. There's a no any difference in that number. So here we have two decimal place, but there we have just one. So put 10 there. Now the both number have same decimal place. We can easily cancel that decimal point. This is 5, that is 20. So answer will be 4. As simple as that. Okay?
Easy.
Yeah. Try one question based on this. Yeah, you can try question number 29. Question number 29, Kavya.
29.
Mm-hmm.
Wait. Look at the wrong page. See. Calculate and simplify. Oh, Oh, this is tricky. Look at them. 1, 2, 3, that's. Is it 500?
No.
500? Is it wrong?
No. Yeah, that's wrong.
I don't understand.
So what's the first step is? I think,
Let's-
Kavya, you're thinking something else in your mind.
No. I just can't. I
Do
was
you
just
have
thinking.
any plan for this evening?
No. Just thinking about my last week's test. If I don't know, I have to check it.
Or did you complete that or not?
I completed it, but I need to think about it. Like if I get some wrong or right.
Okay. But this time, please focus here. I think, yeah, I can feel this, that you're thinking something else and trying to doing something else. That both things are different. That's why you're not focusing.
I focus.
Now, tell me, what our first step is?
I'm just trying to figure out the question now.
No, tell me,
First,
what our first step is for doing this division question. What was our first step?
is it like adding the zeros from like 100
Mm-hmm.
and then dividing by 2? That's what I can remember.
Yeah. So now you can easily remove this decimal.
And then divide by 2.
So answer will be
50.
not 500.
I was thinking about this question. Like I just counted how
Please
much.
do this question, Kavya,
So
and be careful. May you got your answer in decimal as well. This is decimal point 0.003 divided with 0.05.
does the answer come in decimal?
Yeah, maybe.
Is it 16.2?
How you got this answer? 0.003, and in denominator we have 0.05. Right? For making the decimal place same, we can put 1 0 in the down. Now, this decimal, that decimal go away. We just have this 50 and that 3.
Yep, we can just replace.
Yeah, so if you divide this 50 with 3, you agree that 5 times 6 is 30?
Yeah, 5 times 6 is 30.
Yeah, So if you divide this 50 with 3, then you need to put one decimal place.
Okay.
This will become 30.
Okay.
Now 10.
And
Now
6.
this became 300. Now 6. This became 300.
I just got confused.
Okay, please try this one. Try to be accurate, Kavya. Be careful. Okay?
Sure.
Don't interrupt. You can take the time as much as you require, but be accurate. Okay? This one. 0.004, 0.08. You know, divide this two number.
Is it 0.2?
No.
0.20?
This must be on the top. That must be on the bottom.
That's what I did.
Don't do it other way. Okay.
Like this.
Then why did so many mistakes,
Like
Kavya?
this.
Okay, so just tell me what you did. Okay? Did you write like this way?
Yeah, I wrote like that.
After this, then
I did I then did it. I added 0 to 8
good.
to make, and I cancel out the decimal point.
Wow, great.
And then I did 4 by 80.
Mm-hmm.
And then I decreased
Means
it.
like that means you did like this way, is it? Or the
Yeah.
other way?
And I did like 4.
This way?
And then no, another way.
That's your mistake. Always be careful. The top number always will be the dividend.
No,
Means go in the middle.
I didn't do like this. I did different way than this.
This way.
Yep, I did that.
So where you put 4? Here or there? First
I
or
put
second?
4. Second.
Here only.
Mm.
Now, you wrote like the similar way. The same way. You wrote the same way.
No,
You
like
did
this.
the same way.
Yeah.
This way or that way? Which is your way? This one or that one?
I did it like this, like 4. And then like slanting line and then 80. I did like that.
That's your mistake, Kavya. Right? Because
then
this top number always will be the dividend, goes in the between.
Can I now
That's
solve it again?
Yeah, please solve it from here.
Eighty to 4, like it'll give like 0. I think I got it. Is it 0.05?
That's very good.
I did the way you taught me before.
Okay.
It's not
Try one
easy.
more question.
Yes.
3 divide with this.
Is it 3,000?
Yeah, very good. Answer will be 3,000.
3,000.
Wow, that's good. Okay. Now, try to convert this decimal into fraction. And whenever we are writing any fraction, then always make sure that write it on simplest form. Okay? So please convert this 0.45 to fraction.
Can I solve it?
Yeah, you can. Very easy. And if you want me to explain first, then you can.
First, can you explain it then?
Okay, so as here we have 0.45. Okay.
Yeah.
And what I'm gonna ask, I asked it convert it into fraction. Okay. Kavya, are you agree that every number always has 1 in the denominator? Right? So here also we can put 1 as the denominator. And if we are writing decimal, then 0, 0, still this is 1, right?
Cancel the zeros.
But why?
Cancel it.
Just please let me explain. But why we are writing this 0, 0? Just because we want to cancel the decimal place, decimal point, right?
Yeah.
So here now both have same decimal place. We can easily cancel these. This will become 45 and 100. Now you can simplify. 5 times 9 is
9 by
45.
20.
This became 20. Answer will be 9 by 20.
Yes. My turn.
Try question number 31, please.
31, okay.
The same question, convert into fraction simplest form. The question is this, 1.25.
5 by 4. 5 by 4.
Wow, that's good. So answer is 5 by
4.
Try question 32 as well.
Oh, 32.
Which is 0.02.
1 by 50.
Wow.
I'm going to work fast.
Okay. Now, we need to add the fraction and subtract the fractions.
And multiply the fraction. And divide the fractions.
Yeah. So, if we have same number in the denominator, okay, then this is very easy, right? We can simply write it like 2, because both are 2. And then 1 plus 5, which is 6 by 2. And when we simplify, we got our answer as 3. Okay? But what if both denominators are not same?
Then you need LCM.
Yeah. Means we have to find out LCD of that fraction.
LCD.
Which is LCM of the denominator. LCD is nothing but LCM of the denominator, right?
Yes.
Okay. So, if we have one question like this, 1 by 6 plus 1 by 3. Okay? Here both denominators are different. Yeah. So first, try to find out the lowest common multiple of this 6 and 3.
Is lowest common, is it 6?
Yeah, the lowest common multiple is 6. So write,
so
draw this horizontal line
here
and write 6 on the bottom. Now, whatever LCM you got, this 6, now divide this 6 with first number denominator, first fraction denominator. Okay. So in 6 times table, this 6 come at 1 times. Means this 6 goes with that 6 in 1 times.
Yes.
then multiply that with this number. Means divide this 2 and then times with this. So 6 times 1 is 6 actually. And 1 times
Yes.
1 is 1. So here this will become 1. Okay. Now
1
put this
plus
symbol plus. The same rule we're
3
going to apply here as well.
plus 2.
3 divided with 6 equals 2. Very good. And 2 times 1 is 2. So this will become 3 by 6,
by 6.
which is 1 by 2.
I've got another way, which is more quicker. Like
Let
1
me
by
know. Let me
6.
explain one more word first.
Okay.
The other way is, here we can see that if denominators are same, then quotient become easier.
Yeah.
So for this type of quotient also, we try to make the denominator same. As here you see, this is 6, but this is 3 only. So how can you make this 3 also as 6? The
1
first
by
number
3
is 1 by
times
6.
2.
Yeah. So times 3 on the top as well as on the bottom. Then there's nothing change in this fraction. Right?
Right.
If we times same number on the top as well as on the bottom, then fraction is still the same.
It'll be 2 by 6 plus 1 by 6, which
Yeah.
is equal to 3 by 6.
Yeah.
That's
1 by 6.
my method.
Okay, that's good.
I like the second way. It's more quicker.
Yeah.
I do it in my mind sometimes.
Okay, that's very good. Sometimes, you know, Kavya, okay, I need to give you one more question. So please tell me what would be the answer for this. You can try either method 1 or method 2, whatever you want.
Method 2.
Yeah. You can pick any.
$22 by 15. 22 by 15.
Yeah. First I hear 32 by 15.
It's 22. I said it twice.
Okay, it's 22.
Yeah.
And first
22.
time also you say 22.
You might.
Okay.
I was just a bit quiet at that time, but now I got better.
Okay. One more question then.
How many more fractions do we have to do? What's after fractions? What's after fractions?
Nothing. After fraction, we don't need to do anything.
Ah.
This is actually our last topic.
I don't know.
We do some question based on this addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. And we can do a few word problem based question as well. Then after, that's it.
So, what's the question?
Are you free in this evening?
What?
Are you free in this evening? Or you're gonna busy? You need to go somewhere.
Yeah, I need to, because tomorrow I'm going to temple, and also my birthday is gonna be this week.
No. This evening, today evening.
I need to go to my dad's mom and dad's house and stay there because we are all going to the temple.
So this evening also you need to go somewhere, because I see that you are very, I mean, you want to finish this class as soon as you can.
No, I don't mind any time finishing this class.
Okay.
I just want to finish my homework then. That's okay.
Okay.
What's next? Is that the question on top, which was my question?
Yeah, this is your question. I love this.
This is kind of like a weird question. I don't understand either. But it looks fun, this question.
If you know the addition and subtraction become very easy, right? The same thing you need to do in that as well.
19 by 8.
18?
19.
Yeah.
I said 19 twice.
Oh, why I have this problem then?
My answer was 19.
Okay, now try this, Kavya. Subtraction, okay?
The 3 by 4.
3 by 4 separated with 2 by 5, okay?
Subtraction. Yay. I like subtracting. Then I'd doing addition. 7 by 20.
Wow. The
I
next
thought
one.
I forgot to simplify it, but I didn't. That's good.
Yeah. Now try this.
Four by 9.
Wow. In fraction multiplication, that's nothing but simplification, right?
Right.
Fraction multiplication is all about simplification.
Simplification.
For example, if we have some number like this, 2 by 3 times with 3 by 8. So what all we need to do is simplify this 3 with that 3. I mean, anything on the top goes with anything on the bottom, right? Doesn't matter here or there. Just we need to simplify top with bottom always, not top with top or bottom with bottom.
Is the answer just 4?
Not just 4, sorry. 1 by 4. Answer will be
1 by 4.
Because this 3 goes with that 3 and this 2 times 4 is 8.
1
So answer
by
will be
4.
1 by 4.
But
Okay?
isn't 3 by 3 divided by 3 is 1?
Yeah.
So I can do with 1 by 4.
So 3 times 1 is 3. You can write like this way. Then your answer becomes correct. 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times 1 is 3. 2 times 1 is 2. 2 times 1 is 2 times 4 is 8. Okay? Yeah. Now try this one. 1 by 2 times with 3 by 5 times with 10 by 3.
I did it was like not by 3 numbers, like 2 numbers. Is the answer 4? 1 by 4. Is it just one whole?
Yeah, 1 whole. Then why you say 4?
I got 1 whole before, but then I thought it's 2 times 2. And then, yeah.
How 2 times 2, Kavya?
I did something wrong. Looks
This
like.
2 on the bottom, that 2 on the top. And
I
both
just
2 got
understand my
cancelled.
mistake.
Yeah. Now, we move with division, okay?
Yes,
Do you remember about division? How we did that earlier?
Nope.
Okay, let me explain once.
I can only remember just the last week's lessons.
You remember this division concept?
I do. Only a bit.
Then tell me the answer for this.
Is it 1 by 2?
Yeah. So what the way is 1 by 4. We can change. We need to change this division with multiplication and swap it. Okay. Interchange 2 with 1. So this will become 2. Very good. Now try this.
There's my question to solve.
Yeah, let me write here. Clean up. 7 by 4 divided with 21 by 8.
Wait, can you divide the ones in the bottom?
Sorry?
Can you divide the ones in the bottom?
First, change this with multiplication symbol. Then
I remember that.
other way around.
Yeah, but 7 by 4 times 8 by 2.
Bottom never goes with bottom.
Is it 2 by 3?
Yeah.
Another question we can solve. Now what are we going to do? What problems, please?
Okay.
Exam secretary. So it could be addition, multiplication, or
You need to decide. You need to decide what you need to do here. Let me write the question on the board.
And I'll stop it. This is the last topic.
Sophia read 1 by 6 of her book on Monday. Okay? And 1 by 2 on Tuesday. So tell me, what fraction of the book
is red?
Sorry?
Is red.
Yeah. Did see? Read in turtle. Here I'm writing and the question as well.
Oh, Wait, can you simplify your answer?
Yeah, you can simplify. Or you want me to simplify this question?
No. Can I simplify?
Yeah, always. You always need to simplify your fraction, okay?
Is the first one 2 by 3?
Yeah, that's correct. Here the second one. Sarah poured 1/3 cup of milk into a bowl and let me write next. And then added another 1/6 cup. Okay. How much did she use in total?
Is question 2 at 1 by 2?
Yeah. For the second one, answer is 1 by 2. So
What's
Ima had 3/4 of a chocolate bar. She ate 1/4. Okay?
Okay.
1/4 of the
chocolate
bar.
Sorry,
is it visible?
Yeah, I can see it. I got 1 by 2 anyway.
Okay. So
I
how
just
much chocolate bars he has left?
1 by 2.
Yeah, that's good. So that's all about, I think you know about this word problem based question, right?
Okay.
You're okay with this?
Yes.
So shall we finish our class?
And finish our
I really don't want to finish actually.
The
same thing for you also, or no?
Yeah, I don't want to
you got bored from me.
No.
I'm so annoying.
I wish there was a class next week as well.
Oh, really? No. I think
I'm going to year 5.
Okay.
It's about
this is our last year 4. This is last of our year 4, right?
Yes. That actually
Next.
last a long time ago.
Yeah. Okay. So this is our last meet, right?
Yes.
So bye bye, Kavya. I don't want to say bye, but it's time to say bye.
Bye.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.